Have you ever wondered why, despite hours of working out, your body still feels like it is aging rapidly, and that stubborn back pain just won't go away? The secret isn't found in flashy gyms or high-intensity routines that leave you completely drained. I've spent my entire medical career searching for a single touch point, a posture so deceptively simple that most people are actually doing it wrong. It takes just 10 minutes, requires no floor work, yet it completely transforms how your spine fights back against time. If you want to know the truth about why doing less can actually provide more strength, stay right here. I'm going to show you the truth that traditional workouts have been hiding from you. Have you ever stood in the kitchen preparing a cup of tea and suddenly noticed your breathing become a bit shallow, or your heart rate pick up after only a light movement? We often forget that at this age, breathing is more than just life. It's the key to strength. One of my patients, a retired teacher in her mid-60s, told me she always held her breath whenever she tried to do a balance move. That's when the body gets starved of oxygen. Instead, try the diaphragmatic breathing I always recommend. Inhale very slowly. Let your belly expand like a balloon, then hold that gentle expansion while you exhale softly. Are you doing that? Controlling your breath during holds doesn't just help stabilize blood pressure. It's a way of sending a calm message to every muscle cell that needs strength. We often mistake being fit for moving fast and sweating hard. But have you ever wondered whether those quick movements actually make your spine more stable, or just force it to brace against repeated impacts? I've seen many patients trying to do mountain climbers, hoping for a stronger core, only to end up with chronic back pain. In reality, true core strength isn't about speed. Imagine your spine as the main pillar of an old house. It doesn't need to shake, it needs stillness. Your core is designed to resist motion, to keep the spine steady amid external disturbances. It's time to change how we look at strength. Stop chasing speed and start looking for power in quiet stability. Have you ever been exercising and told yourself, "Push through the pain, that's how it works"? I've heard that hundreds of times from patients. At our age, the body isn't a machine to be forced. It's a companion to be listened to. Think of your joints like a precious door hinge. If it creaks, it's a sign it's being overstressed. When you're doing holds and feel a sharp, unusual pain, not the pleasant burn of muscles, that's your cue to stop and reduce the range. Don't be afraid to modify. Don't be afraid to slow down. Protecting joint integrity is how we keep the freedom to move long-term. You don't need to be perfect on the first try. You just need to truly understand your limits. Do you think you need an expensive gym to get stronger? The truth is, you only need a sturdy wall and about 10 minutes a day. Picture a short sequence of gentle but powerful moves: wall knee drive, standing march, and standing dead bug. For the first, press your hands into the wall, lift the knee, and feel the core engage. Then move to the march. Stand tall and lift the knee without support. And finish with the dead bug, with your back against the wall. One of my patients kept this routine and told me she felt her body wake up after years of inactivity. No rush, no fancy equipment, just will and consistency. 10 minutes, 3 exercises, and you're building a solid foundation for your independence. Have you wondered why your lower back still aches even when you work out diligently? You may be unintentionally letting the spine hang, while the abdominal muscles aren't on doing their job. Picture a zipper. When you move, gently tuck your pelvis under, pointing the tailbone toward your heels. One patient described this as tidying up the house of the spine, flattening the lower back to relieve pressure. When you perform this tuck, the load shifts from the sensitive lumbar area to the deep, powerful core muscles. That's not just exercise. It's protecting the foundation of your body. Can you feel the difference when you flatten your lower back right now? Do you sometimes feel you have to train hard and feel sore to make progress? I've met many people over 50 who came to the clinic injured after deciding to make up for a week of missed workouts. Trust me, our bodies don't operate like a computer that needs to run at full throttle and then shut down. Real strength lies in consistency. Small, steady efforts each day. Have you ever felt exhausted after an intense session and then skipped the rest of the week? Instead, imagine training like watering a plant. Small amounts of water every day are far better than dumping a bucket once and letting it dry out. Choose persistence over pressure. A few minutes daily, those steady minutes, are the real secret to lasting resilience. True strength does not lie in rushed movements or pushing yourself to the point of exhaustion, but in the ability to master stillness within even the simplest postures. When you learn to engage your core, coordinate your breathing, and listen to your body's limits, you aren't just working out. You are building a fortress to protect your spine against the wear and tear of time. Remember, endurance is built through the consistent moments of every single day. This is not just a journey to regain flexibility, but a way for us to master the freedom within our own bodies. How to apply this to your life? Adopt a slow and steady mindset in every aspect. Do not try to overhaul your habits overnight. Every morning, instead of rushing, spend 5 minutes simply feeling your breath and your own stability. Consistency with small, gentle, and intentional habits will build the strongest foundation for long-term health. What do you think of the idea that true strength lies in stability rather than speed? Please leave a comment below so we can share our perspectives. And don't forget to subscribe to the Everyday Vital Path channel to support us and give us the motivation to bring you more valuable content for your wellness journey.